Okay, friends. Hi, Doc South here. Gee, I'm just sitting on the back deck here at our home, and Sandy's getting ready to do a flea market. I guess tomorrow. She's drying out this scarf. Isn't this something? Look at it. Just gorgeous. Really pretty. I don't know, but I'm looking at the stitching in it. Isn't that beautiful? Gosh. Just gorgeous. She says probably only gonna go. It's only going to go for about $15 or so. But man, the work involved. Oh my gosh, someone really did a lot of stitching. Holy mackerel! And then all this. I guess it's something like you'd see the Spanish dancers. You know, in the old movies, they'd wear one of these and be dancing around. Gosh, that's pretty. I don't know. Boy, it seems like it's worth more than that. But that. She says no. She knows her market, so I guess that's the case. For me, though, it's potato picking time. Yeah, this is my potato garden. Started it back in the spring, and now it's what? We're into late September. It's time to pick those taters. What I did was I got some old potatoes that had eyes, you know, the little eyes on them, and you cut them. You can cut them into quarters, etc. Cut them into little pieces, and you put them in these flower pots. Well, now this is what's left of one of the potato plants, but the leaves and the stem and all were all over these flower pots. They've now since, I guess, gotten old, died, and decayed away. This is the only one left. And what you got to do is dig in and grab the potatoes out of the dirt. So I'm going to do that. Now, a friend of mine in Pennsylvania, many years ago, told me that the thing to do was to get old tires. You put some dirt in the tires, put the potato, you lay one tire down, put the potato in the dirt, and then the dirt that's in the tire. Then you let the potato grow a bit. When you get a leaf, you get another tire, put that over the original tire, and now you're about a foot high, more dirt, and the potato grows, and eventually you can have maybe 6 or 7 tires, all lined, on top, one on top of the other with all that dirt. And about this time of year in the fall, you just kick the tires over, and gosh, you got yourself a bushel's worth. I've tried that and I don't know, it just seems like plant-eating bugs get into the darn mess, and it's just ruined. I wind up getting nothing but a moldy old tater, and but I guess in the right circumstance it'll work. So let's see what's in this one. I'm going to start digging, see if I can find anything. So far, not much luck. Gosh, I'm going down pretty deep too. I would think by the plant would have been. Oh yeah, let me get. Oh wait! Look, looky there. Oh baby, hey, that's cool. Well, let's go down now. I was down pretty deep for that. I know if I get dirt all over the deck, Sandy or landlord or whatever's going to get after me. I may have to do that. Well, I got one potato. Now see if we can get 2 potatoes. Gee, all that. Well, I didn't do much work. All I had to do was throw some potatoes. I think she had 2 or 3 potatoes in the potato bin that just weren't, well, they didn't look too appetizing, getting all the eyes all over them and everything. Yeah, maybe that's the only one I'm going to get out of this flower pot. I'm going to try to go down real deep here and just make sure I'm not goofing up. Man, tell you. No, well, I got one. Okay, that's better than I had. Darn, I was hoping there'd be a few more in there, though. No, okay. Looks like that's it for that one. So let's move on to the next flower pot. This one's bigger. Maybe there was more room. I'll pull I used that to hold the stems up. Now let me just dig in here. See if we can find anything. Gosh, It's kind of fun though, isn't it? Yeah. I know. Digging away. Darn, tell you. Well, I tell you, this gets kind of hard to root around. I may have to get a shovel. Sort of hate to have to do that. Kind of the old get your hands buried up in the dirt there. Gee, the dirt's kind of warm. Maybe over the summer the potatoes baked? I don't know. Gosh. Boy, I thought I'd have more than this. Well, I got one. That's not gonna really fill a skillet too well. Darn, well, maybe this year I goofed. Gosh. Rooting around. Well, what I'm probably gonna have to do is get I don't know if they're down to the bottom of that thing or not, but I did get one. Okay, let's go over here. Go to the third one. Again, it's fall now and time to root up the old potatoes if I can. Let's see. This plant, this one actually, this flower pot had quite a few stems coming out of it, so maybe something will work in my favor. Gee, so far I got a lot of chestnuts. Oh, wait a minute, here's one. There's a little bugger. See it? Yeah, here. Cool. Okay. Cool. Nice. Again, I'm going to take a mess of them to fill a skillet. Gosh. I'm just digging in here. Let's pull that out. Lean that over. Okay. And again, I could have just thrown the potatoes out. And I thought, well, we'll give it a whirl, see if... Well, so far... Again, I didn't try to go that awful deep. I had a feeling the potatoes wouldn't necessarily work. What I did was, as I saw, maybe that's what I'm going to have to do, though, is go down. Oh, wait. There's one. Oh, look at that baby, huh? Yeah. Oh, yeah. See it? I'll get it out. That's my thumb next to it. Well, I don't know. Maybe it's a good thing I'm not a farmer. Oh, my heavens. Well, let's try this flower pot. Again, I guess we can... Oh, there's one right on the stem. See it? Yep. Okay. Cool. Well, we got 4 potatoes. Yeah. Thought I had one there, but no. Let me get over here. This leaf's kind of in the way. Guess we can pick that out of there. Darn. Well, I don't know. Last year I did better. I think I actually could make a little potato omelet. Gosh, now my hands are so dirty, I'm kind of afraid to touch the smartphone. Well, I guess this year, I guess better luck next time. I was thinking Sandy was going to sneak in here and... Oh, there's a potato. See it? Yeah, that little bugger. Okay, cool. You can sort of tell by feel if you, pull out a slug or something. Oh, wait, here's another. Yep, see it? Okay, now we're cooking. Yeah, well, what I'm going to do is, I guess... I've gone down about as far as I can. They don't seem to be down in the nether regions here. So I guess I've gotten about all I got. Oh, nope, there's another. Well, I'm going to have to see. Those little ones, I bet, are pretty tasty. Trouble is, Won't put much meat on the bones. I don't know what that is. It feels, it's a jawbone of a trout or something. No, I guess that's it, friends. Darn, potato crop wasn't that good this year. Doggone her. Well, next year maybe I'll plant tomatoes, because they didn't do too well either, now to think about it. Okay, well, so what do I got? I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 potatoes. Okay. Not a whole lot, you get right down to it. I guess that'll have to do, though. Friends, it's Doc South signing off. We'll see you later. Bye now. God bless.